So today is Friday and I'm at my sister's house like in the afternoon. And look at my broccoli plants. Look at this one. Okay. Come through. Come through. I am about to water them. I thought we were supposed to get some rain this morning, but it does not look like we're going to get any rain. So I am about to water these, and I'm also going to water the ones in the back. So let me show you guys what the ones in the back look like. Oh my gosh, you guys, goodness gracious, everything is thriving. I am so excited. I am so excited. Look at this. Oh my goodness, y'all. It is like a super nice day today. Super nice. I put on a hat because I didn't know what the weather was gonna be like, but whatever. If you guys see like my hat in my shadow. So yeah. Anyways, look at this. Oh you guys, I'm so happy I didn't dig anything up. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm gonna water this as well. And then this broccoli plant, it's doing what it want to do. My spinach is coming back, so everything is looking lovely. But I am still going to come on Sunday and feed everything. I am so excited. Again, I am so happy I did not dig up any of these plants. You guys, I need to be patient. That is something else that you have to have when it comes to gardening. And I'm sort of developing it. I always think the worst when it comes to these plants. I always think that I'm doing something incorrect or I did something wrong and that's why they're not growing. But no, I and other people, you have to be patient when it comes to growing a garden. And I now know that. So when I plant my spring garden, I know to be patient. Although there is still a lot for me to learn, I am getting excited about growing a spring slash summer garden. I've learned a lot. I know that there's still so much more that I need to learn, but I am very excited about my spring slash summer garden. And I know now, hey, again, be patient, number one. And number two, have fun gardening. Gardening is supposed to be relaxing. It is not supposed to be stressful. So I am not going to be stressing. I'm lying, you guys. I'm still stressed over it. But anyways, thank you all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.